Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Apex Legends account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to delete your Apex Legends account, first open up Apex Legends mobile application using your mobile device. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you're logged in, from the main homepage, which looks like this, tap on the settings button at the bottom left. Now, find the privacy and social option at the bottom right and give it a tap. From the privacy and social tab, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account button at the very bottom. Now, confirm that you would like to delete this account by tapping on the confirm button. Remember that once you proceed with this step, your account will be held for 15 days starting from the day you submit your request for deletion, and after 15 days your account deletion will be processed. If you log in during the 15 days time period, then your account deletion request will be withdrawn. All the data and entitlements associated with your account will be deleted as well, including virtual currency, virtual goods, and other game items. After you go through the information, tap on this I have read and understand the consequences button and tap next. Enter your name in the first text box in order to confirm and tap on the confirm button. Now, your account deletion request has been made. It'll take 15 days to be deleted completely. If you ever try to log in within the 15 days period, then your account deletion will be terminated. Now, you can tap on the log out button and get to the main homepage of Apex Legends. Now that is how you can easily delete your Apex Legends mobile game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.